In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create signature in Gmail with logo. By the end, every message you send can include a clean, professional sign-off with your details and your brand's logo. First, open a web browser and go to gmail.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. Look to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. In the panel that appears, select See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings page where you can make changes that stick across your account. On this page, scroll down until you find the signature section. Click Create New and give your signature a simple, clear name, like work or personal. Naming helps if you ever create more than one version later because you'll be able to switch between them easily. Now add your text. Type your name on the first line, then your position and company on the next. Under that, add your contact information. Keep it concise and readable. You can use a line break or a single separator character to keep things tidy. Avoid including anything overly personal and keep the tone consistent with your brand. Next, let's add your logo. Click the image icon in the signature editor. You can upload a file from your computer, pull it from Google Drive, or paste a URL. Choose the option that's most convenient for you and click Insert. If you're using a URL, make sure the image link is accessible so recipients can see it. A PNG or JPG in a modest size usually works best. If the logo appears too large or too small, click it once to bring up size options, then choose small, medium, or large. You can also drag the corners to fine-tune the size. Aim for a balanced look. The logo should be visible without overpowering your text. Now, format the layout. You can position the logo on the left or right using the alignment tools in the editor, or place it above your text for a stacked look. Make your name stand out with bold and adjust the font size so everything is legible. Stick to one or two colors and a single font to keep it professional and easy on the eyes. When you're satisfied, scroll all the way down and click Save Changes. Don't skip this step. Your edits won't apply unless you save. That's it. Open a new email to see your signature in action. From now on, your Gmail messages will automatically include your signature with the logo, giving every email a polished, consistent finish.